500 Premium AI prompts to create, design, and sell faster. Can help you create more efficiently with ready-to-use AI prompts. If you want to design to save time, create better content, generate fresh image ideas, build digital products, or streamline your workflow, the 3-in-1 Fantasy Kids Activity Pack gives you a practical shortcut. Inside this premium collection, you get 500 high-quality AI prompts carefully designed to help creators, beginners, online sellers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs use AI tools more effectively. No guesswork. No staring at a blank screen. No wasting hours trying to figure out what to type. Just copy, paste, customize, and start creating in minutes. For only $9, you get a ready-to-use prompt library built to help you improve workflow. Why this product is useful? Many people try AI tools but face one common issue. They are unsure what to ask. AI tools often perform better with clear instructions. Without structured prompts, outputs may feel too broad or inconsistent. That is where this pack can help. The 3-in-1 Fantasy Kids Activity Pack includes 500 structured prompts created to support tasks such as content idea generation, image concept creation, printable and digital product planning, workflow organization, routine creative tasks, faster project starting points, consistent content production. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you can use pre-written prompts and adjust them to your needs. What you receive: 500 high-quality AI prompts. This collection includes prompts created for multiple practical uses. Category 1: Content creation prompts. Use these prompts to create blog topic ideas, product descriptions, social media captions, email drafts, headlines, landing page ideas, educational content, audience engagement topics. Suitable for creators, marketers, bloggers, coaches, and online sellers. Category 2: Image prompt ideas. Use these prompts with image generation tools to create fantasy artwork, kids activity pages, coloring pages, printable designs, storybook concepts, character ideas, visual assets, creative graphics. Useful for digital sellers, designers, and creators. Category 3: Digital product prompt ideas. Use prompts to help plan printable packs, activity books, coloring bundles, prompt packs, worksheets, mini guides, templates, downloadable resources. Helpful for creators building digital product libraries. Category 4: Productivity prompts. Use prompts for planning, organizing ideas, brainstorming, writing structure, research outlines, workflow systems, consistent output habits. Useful for solo creators and busy professionals. Who this product is for? The 3-in-1 Fantasy Kids Activity Pack is designed for both beginners and experienced users. Suitable for beginners. If you are new to AI tools, these prompts provide a clear starting point. Content creators. Use prompts to support regular content planning. Digital sellers. Use prompts for product ideas, descriptions, graphics, and bundles. Independent business owners. Use prompts to help improve workflow and reduce repetitive tasks. Freelancers. Use prompts for drafts, planning, idea generation, and client support tasks. Busy professionals. Use prompts to simplify recurring creative work. What makes these prompts useful? Many prompt lists online are vague or repetitive. This collection focuses on prompts that are clear, structured, flexible, easy to edit, beginner-friendly, fast to use, suitable across niches. Each prompt is designed to reduce guesswork and support more consistent outputs. Why prompt packs save time? Creative work often begins with questions like, what should I create? What should I write? How should I structure this? Where do I begin? With a prompt pack, you can begin faster. Choose a prompt, paste it into your preferred tool, and customize as needed. That can mean less hesitation, easier planning, better consistency, simpler workflow, more completed tasks. Example ways customers use this pack. Example 1, Digital Seller. Use prompts to create kids' printable ideas, product titles, and descriptions. Example 2, Blogger. Use prompts for outlines, keyword ideas, and content calendars. Example 3, Freelancer. Use prompts for proposal drafts, content ideas, and planning systems. Example 4, Parent Create a Brand. Use prompts to create kids' activity ideas and themed printable packs. Example 5, Side Project Creator. Use prompts to plan and organize digital products during free time. Why the Fantasy Kids theme is popular. Fantasy themes are often chosen because they are imaginative and flexible. Families, teachers, homeschool users, and printable buyers may enjoy products featuring magical forests, fantasy characters, hidden object games, coloring activities, story-inspired themes, learning through play. This pack provides prompt ideas centered around that niche. SEO-oriented content planning for sellers. If you sell online, these prompts may help support content planning. Use prompts for product descriptions, blog topic ideas, search-friendly titles, Pinterest captions, category planning, niche content ideas. Consistent content updates can be useful for store activity over time. Easy to use in 3 steps. Step 1, open the prompt pack. Digital access is available after purchase. Step 2, choose a prompt. Browse the collection and select what you need. Step 3, copy, paste and customize. Use with your preferred AI tools and edit details for your project. You do not need technical skills, design training, prompt writing experience, marketing background. If you can copy and paste, you can use this product. Practical value at an affordable price. Time is often spent on brainstorming ideas, writing first drafts, product planning, creating descriptions, starting from zero. This collection is designed to save time by giving you reusable starting points. For $9, you receive a prompt library you can return to whenever needed. Prompts can be reused in many ways. Change the niche. Change the audience. Change the product type. Change the style. One prompt may be adapted into multiple outputs. That makes this a practical long-term resource. Frequently asked questions. This is a digital product delivered online. Yes. Reuse them across multiple projects. Most modern AI writing or image tools can use prompts. Yes. Many buyers use prompt packs for creating digital products, printables, and content ideas. You are covered by the 30-day money-back promise. Useful for cold traffic visitors. If this is your first time seeing this product, here is the main value. You are purchasing a practical digital resource designed to reduce setup time and provide ready-made creative starting points. No complicated setup. No long learning curve. No advanced experience required. Just prompts you can begin using immediately after access is provided. Everyday use examples. Use one prompt today for a product idea, a blog topic, a social caption, a printable concept, a description draft, a content outline. Then return to the collection again whenever needed. Small consistent actions can support long-term productivity. Affordable long-term resource. For a low one-time cost, you receive a tool that may support weekly content planning, product brainstorming, routine creative tasks, digital store content support, ongoing projects, purchase information. Available for instant access after purchase. 3-in-1 Fantasy Kids Activity Pack 500 High Quality AI Prompts. Price $9 30-day refund policy, terms apply. Copy. Paste. Customize. Use. Important notice. Notice, this is not a part of Elegant Themes, Google, the Facebook website, or Meta Platforms, Inc. Also, this site is not endorsed by Elegant Themes, Google or Facebook in any way. This product is not owned by and is not endorsed by any third party. Every effort has been made to accurately represent the products offered through our website and their potential. While we believe the claims and examples presented are accurate, they should not be solely relied upon when making a purchasing decision. The testimonials and examples used are extraordinary results and do not reflect the average purchaser's experience. They are not intended to guarantee that any individual will achieve the same or similar results. Success with our products depends on various factors including your background, dedication, desire, and motivation, as well as external factors beyond your control. There is no guarantee that you will duplicate the results featured on this site. Each person's success is influenced by their unique circumstances and the effort they put into utilizing the system. Please understand that any business endeavor carries inherent risks, including the potential loss of capital. This system is not a passive income or get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistent action, effort, and commitment. We cannot make any promises of success, as outcomes are entirely dependent on your initiative and actions. Additionally, managing a website involves understanding legal obligations, such as complying with data privacy laws and managing risks related to defamation through user-generated content. We strongly recommend consulting with a legal professional to ensure full compliance with these responsibilities. There is no guarantee of income or success, and the results mentioned are not typical, achieved through hard work, determination, and consistent follow-through. You will not achieve results if you do not take action. Our products are designed to provide you with marketing tools, done-for-you assets, and guidance to help grow your business, but ultimately, the responsibility to act lies with you. If you are looking for an effortless, magical solution that brings immediate success without action, this product is not for you. Please thoroughly review the details on this page and ensure you're ready to take persistent action before making your purchase. If you're not prepared to put in the effort required, we kindly suggest you refrain from purchasing. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries and / refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. At 2026 3-in-1